There's that baby. There's that owlet. See, she's coming out. We got a hatch. We got a hatch. Wow, this is the most amazing video I've ever seen. We've got a hatch. We've got 4 little owlets.